our video, our little escapades. See what we have here.
What have you got there?
Scruff-a-Luvs.
Scruff-a-Luvs. And
yeah,
Scruff-a-Luvs.
you make them with your family. Doesn't matter if your family just like whatever they're doing.
These are the Scruff-a-Luvs babies, and they are exclusive ones as they're for spring. And what can you find inside these? A lamb, a duckling, or a bunny?
Is a lamb Easter
I know.
as well?
A lamb's Easter, yeah. You fed the lambs, didn't you?
Yeah.
I'll help you. I'm not really sure how it works. Oh look! Can you see there? It's got a door. So it says you've got...
Yeah, you can keep that little carrier.
What you've got to do is you've got to lift up this and then pull it forward. Oh! A lamb! And then you've got to take the...
I think this one will be a bunny now.
You've got to take this out. Oh, it popped... Oh, look! He popped his little legs out. That's how you do it. He's a little lamb. Wow.
It's not really wet.
No, and you've got a comb for him though, so he doesn't have to get wet. Look at that, he's a little blue lamb. You can put these on your book bag.
Yeah.
And he's got a little house to live in.
Oh, where's this?
Oh, this is his little home.
Wait,
Keep him in there.
can you put those on your book bag as well?
No, I don't think you can put him on. You can keep him in there, can't you?
Cold.
Do you want to open this one then?
Put that back in his cage because it will be freezing.
Is it?
No, it's not. I'm just joking.
Well, let's see what.
Now do just put this back in like.
See what this one is.
Yeah. See what that is all about.
So what would you like this one to be? You've got a lamb. So do you think you're going to get another lamb?
No.
Oh, I don't know.
Bunny.
And there's a little adoption
Oh
certificate
my
there
god,
as well.
it's another lamb.
Have you got another lamb?
Oh, they're twins.
Oh, hang on, you've got to pull the thing out. There he is.
We was
Oh, but this has got a blue flower.
Yeah, this one is a girl, this one is a boy. Because they're twins,
They're twins, and it says ×2, so you have to twist it this way. And then it pops off. Am I twisting it the right way?
Don't know.
Oh, he popped out. And there's his little legs.
Aww, cutie.
And he feels like you need to brush him.
Yeah, it feels like you need a wet.
Yeah, you might need to just wet him a little bit and brush him. And he's got a yellow comb.
Yeah.
So you had a blue flower. I wonder if it tells you what Do you like those ones?
You want a sheep or you pet as a baby sheep?
These are lovely and they're perfect for, as she says, a book bag.
Okay.
And he feels like he needs... Oh no, you just got to brush him. You just got to brush him. You don't need to do water, you just brush him. And his hair won't be matted. So what do you think of those? Are they nice?
Yeah, nicey, bitey.
So these are the Scruff-a-Luvs babies that are exclusive for spring. Perfect with bunnies and chicks, and you've got 2 little lambs. And you like those?
I'm leaving.
She's going. Do you want to say thank you to everyone for watching this video? Go on.
Thank you for everyone for watching this video.
See you again soon.